What's up YouTube, it's your boy Ben with TV2 and today I've got another unboxing for you guys. So what we're actually unboxing today is the Nike Sacai's in a whitish sort of colorway, the ones that have just been released. Now with these I didn't actually get lucky myself, but luckily my flatmate came through and managed to get a pair through the Dover Street Market raffle. He also managed to get 2 other pairs on the Nike app, so yeah, Lady Luck is on his side this week. But yeah, anyway, we'll crack on with the unboxing after all the bullshit at the start of the video. And yeah, so these are mega hyped, like a lot of people wanted these. And yeah, they're the Nike LDWAFFLE Sacai's, as you can see there, in a UK 6, US 7, and a 25.5 centimeters. I don't know who the fuck uses those measurements, but they're probably useful in somewhat. Anyway, the box itself, nice box, glossy finish. It really complements the background of the sheets that have been passed around from generation to generation in my the Windsor family. Let's get on to the actual shoes themselves. These are the shoes. Now the retail of these was £140, and yeah, straight away that seems sort of sellotape to it there. They seem fairly premium, I'm not gonna lie. Get them out of the box there. No shank required today, as it is just an open box. And these are actually my first time seeing the shoes, so this would be a completely honest impression. Yeah, interesting. So they've got like a mesh lining there. Now it's quite a thin material, that. They have the Nike and the Sacai on the back, and they've got this strange outer foam padding section bit here. Suede material here in between the 2 Nike ticks that are strapped on there, and obviously the contrasting colours of grey and white for the Nike ticks. Again, on the front you've got these detailed little plugs here that look like little train stoppers. Would be useful if you go around booting shit, I guess. I wouldn't recommend it with these shoes. And again, everything is doubled, so you have the Nike Sacai there on the whatever it's called, tongue, and then the Nike Sportswear made in China there, double laced up there as well. So yeah, I mean, my first impressions of this shoe are they're okay. I wouldn't personally wear them if it's raining outside, as you're going to get doubly fucked here. You're going to get the rain coming through the mesh lining there, and you're going to get wet socks. And then the rain is also going to soak into the double laces there. So definitely not a shoe for the rain, but a summer shoe nonetheless. Yeah, I mean, it's odd. It's like you're almost tempting people to trip you up when you're walking on the tube with these strange backings that it has. But yeah, guys, I'll get the other one out just to show it on camera too. Obviously being very careful as it's not my produce. But yeah, that's what they look like there. Interesting enough shoe. Would I cop myself? Probably not. Oh, actually, let's just see what they come in. They come with a different pair of laces on each one as well. So you got some black, or looks like bluish sort of, yeah, navy blue sort of laces there that come in there. And yeah, nice tongue in there as well. Probably wouldn't cop myself, in all honesty. So they're interesting. They are Sacai's, so they're obviously very limited and people like them. But I just think, yeah, I don't know. I feel like for the price of what they are, I don't know, you could get some very similar trainers down at Sports Direct for around 60 quid that actually have some proper leather lining to protect yourself from the elements. But fuck it, if you have the money, then grab them, who cares. This has been another incredible quality video from your boy Ben with TV2. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment for more. I'm not sure how consistent I'm actually going to be with these videos. But yeah, thank you again guys for watching, and in the meantime, peace out, safe.